and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to get your Busuu certificate work. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want your Busuu certification to work, then you need to go to your Busuu. So once you're in your Busuu, Busuu will provide you language certification upon the completion of specific course levels, which are designed to align with common European framework of reference, that is CERF standards, and A1 to B2 or C1. Unlike official proficiency exams like TOEFL or DELE, these certificates are geared toward verifying that you have completed the curriculum rather than serving as a globally recognized high-stake qualification. So this way your Busuu certifications work. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.